You can have a clear and interactive way of displaying everything you need to know on the execution of your maintenance work orders and maintenance time by planner group, workstation, or any attribute that you may need. Navigate between the planner group and workstation, or display the combination of both in the same chart to understand what components of the process are more effective in anticipating the required maintenance before the equipment presents a failure. Drill down to a planner group screen to better understand the performance of individual workstations on the group. Drill down to the backlog of maintenance work orders to understand the duration of the orders and the breakdown of the backlog in the different workstations. Drill down to a detailed view of work orders and activities to further analyze individual items and filter by equipment, group, workstation or other attributes, with visibility on the actual versus planned hours and spare parts applied to the work order, as well as the actual versus planned cost for the work order and its line items. Send a message directly from the dashboard to the planner group or workstation responsible to request more information on the reasons for the observed performance. You can analyze as well the impact of the maintenance activities on the overall performance of the equipment in terms of availability, use of availability, effective utilization, or any other metric you want to include.